Are you looking for a better way to manage your projects? Granicus has found the solution with Wrike. Their professional services team has achieved remarkable growth and visibility by integrating Wrike into their processes. Granicus experienced a 25% growth through acquisitions while maintaining efficiency. They now seamlessly support 300 consultants, leveraging Wrike to enhance communication and project delivery. As new teams onboard, Wrike minimizes pushback and ensures smooth transitions. A key player in this transformation is Pret, who transitioned from Basecamp to Wrike. She quickly saw the benefits of having project management, time tracking, and collaboration in one platform. Early adopters significantly reduced email traffic thanks to Wrike's collaborator licenses. Integration with Outlook automates communications, allowing teams to manage permissions and user roles independently. Pillow mentions the ease of training users to assign projects, manage bookings, and track time effectively. Wrike also integrates with Salesforce and NetSuite, streamlining Granicus's sales operations. This connection provides real-time updates on project statuses and enhances financial recording accuracy. By centralizing work in Wrike, Granicus gains better tracking, execution, and reporting on projects. Standardized processes accelerate project delivery, enabling them to serve different professional services units efficiently. With 30 products across 5 families, Wrike's flexibility allows customization and empowerment of teams. Granicus tracks time and billable hours in one space, boosting time tracking compliance by 20% since the switch. The impact of Wrike is clear. It proves project profitability and provides comprehensive reporting tools. With these analytics, teams address compliance issues and improve collaboration. In conclusion, Wrike has transformed Granicus into a more efficient and collaborative workspace. Ready to enhance your project management? Explore how Wrike can revolutionize your processes today.